3D printing continues to change the way electronics are manufactured, and at Amtech, it's helped increase our efficiency, reduce costs to our customers, and improve consistency across the board. It's not only valuable for our customers, but also for our employees. It makes their jobs easier and allows them the freedom to develop innovative solutions. CAD and 3D printing has become a regular part of our operation. Amtech uses industrial and hobbyist level 3D printers for different applications throughout the manufacturing process. We use this technology to create tools and fixtures in-house for all of our internal processes that can be easily customized based on the specification of each project. We no longer have to rely on external vendors or customize production to meet our customers' requirements. Here are a few specific examples of how 3D printing has changed the way we operate. Consistency. We create jigs to ensure placement on a mechanical assembly is accurate and within spec. Efficiency. We have set measurement for how to place the mechanical parts together. Speed. We have less defects due to standardizing and creating new tools through 3D printing. Using 3D printing technology is a win for everyone at Amtech, from our employees to our customers to their customers, and helps us achieve our purpose to pay it forward.